All right, Tesla fam, let's break down what you need to install a Tesla wall connector at home. 1. The Tesla wall connector. First up, you'll need the actual wall connector, which you can purchase directly from Tesla's online store. It's designed for quick, efficient home charging. 2. A dedicated electrical circuit. You'll need a dedicated 240-volt electrical circuit in your home. This ensures safe and fast charging for your Tesla. 3. Licensed electrician. Hire a licensed electrician to handle the installation. They'll ensure the wiring, circuit breaker, and electrical panel are up to code and can handle the load. 4. Proper location. Choose a spot in your garage or driveway that's convenient for daily charging. Make sure there's enough clearance for the cable to reach your car easily. 5. Wi-Fi connection. The wall connector supports Wi-Fi for firmware updates and monitoring energy usage through the Tesla app. 6. Permits and inspections. Depending on local regulations, you might need permits or an inspection for the installation. Your electrician can guide you on this. Once it's installed, you're ready to enjoy faster, more convenient charging at home. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.